Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to give you a quick review about this AI website called Elai. Elai is an AI website that allows you to generate videos or probably make content with the use of AI. So let's get started. What is Elai? Elai is like a magic video maker. You give it some text and it turn it into a video for you. It's great for making videos for a lot of people at once. It's like you want to send a verification successful, waiting for a message to everyone who signed up to your service. So you can even make each video feel special as if it were made just for that one person. So with the help of this AI, you can do that. And also you don't have to worry about any language barrier, because with the help of Elai you can make videos for global audience, and which is super cool. So creating a high quality video should be as simple as typing a few words. So it's incredible because it comes with a free user interface and a lot more like that. And here are the top benefits you start to get using this website. So one of the benefits is that you save time and money. Elai can create videos in minutes, saving you the time and expenses of hiring a video production company or learning complex video editing software. And also gets us easy to use. No video editing experience is required. Enter your text and choose a template, and Elai will do the best. It's perfect for beginners and those who want to create a video quickly. Elai website is it's one of the best websites for that. And also you get access to personalized videos. Elai can personalize each videos with the viewer's name, location, or other details, making them more engaging and increasing the conversation rate. Image sending to personalized verification successful, waiting messages to each new users. Also get access to security and privacy from the Elai website. And also get access to multilingual support, which help you reach a global audience with videos in multiple languages, break down language barriers, and expand your reach. It also has faster verification process. You can use email to create automated verification videos to streamline your onboarding, improve users' experience, and reduce the risk of errors. Say goodbye to manual verification process and the frustration of mistakes like verification successful waiting. And the scalability, Elai can handle large volume of video creation, making it perfect for nurses of all sizes. Whether you need a few videos or 1,000, Elai can scale which you need with the help of the AI tools that is available on the platform and also gets access to constant improvement. Elai is constantly being updated with new features and improvement. You can expect to see further development and enhancement in the future. It is reliable support, and it is absolutely free. And here's the cool features you start again using this website. So if you use these features, so here are the available features you can use. The website, the access to your custom avatar, avatar dialog, interactivity, then a real-time chat. Also get access to Elai editors, which is AI, access to avatar library, language template, a AI storyboard, a URL to video, and auto translation with AI. Also you get access to Elai tools, the brand kit, screen recorder. So if you want to create screen recording, you can also use these features. For that, also get access to PPTX to video API with voice cloning. It's different type of language. So all these are super cool, and you also get access to about 80 plus high quality avatar with 75 plus language with 450 plus videos with generating a video from the prompt, and also voice cloning with transforming a presentation into video. You can also generate a video from URL. Also custom avatars with AI script crafting, with also a professional video template with personalization, skill with creating videos with your brand kit. Also get access to screen recording, part of the features, and the media library with a collaboration with his. All these are the more features. There's still more features you can stand to gain on this website. Wow, I think you can access the website. Probably will check them out. Just go to the Elai.io. This will take you down to the website. So let's check the pricing plan for this website. Alright. Okay. Pricing plan. So to choose your plan, pricing plan, there are three subdivided pricing plan. We have the free plan, basic, and the enterprise. So under the free plan, which is also gets us to 1 minute free credit with one site per render, also gets us to the free plan also includes text to videos, interactivity, 80 plus avatars with all basic features. So on the basic features, it gets us to 15 minutes per month. So gets us to basic plan include AI text to videos, interactivity, 80 plus avatars, then API. Then the enterprise. You get custom setup with unlimited option with customizable menu translate, a free voice cloning facet, and a screen export with a real-time streaming API. And these are the available price for the monthly plan. Then for annually, which is yearly, you pay 23. And the enterprise, you have to reach out to the customer care, because that is when you get to discuss the exact amount, because let's talk. So you have to reach out to the customer care to get the maximum requirement for this, with the amount of money you can pay to attain this plan, which is super cool. And right here is the available features that is available each plan, which can be used to create a stunning video with your price tag laid. So that's it. And using this Elias website, it has the advantages and disadvantages, the good side and the downside of this website. So on the good side of this website is that it is easy to use, it saves times, and also it makes your avatar and also work in any language, in many languages at the same time. You use a cool AI features, which is super cool. And one of the great downsides of this website is that it can be pricey. It can be pricey a little, and some features takes time to learn. So if you want to get the best from this website, you have to take your time already. So even though it is beginner friendly, but at the same time, you still have to learn a little bit to get some certain features right from this website. And that's it. Find this video helpful, turn on the notification button, and let me know in the comment section what you think about this AI website. Thank you.